That's how it's done. Woo-wee! Welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all have been asking and asking and asking for us to get bigger mud tires for the Dune Buggy. So today, we're gonna do that.
Yeah, buddy.
So the Jeep left us last video, so we're gonna make some moves this video, at least get some tires on the Dune Buggy that aren't street tires and will handle mud better than flat
Street tires. Like a lot better.
Yeah.
Because the tires we have right now on the Dune Buggy don't do that great in the mud that we kind of learned and found out last Saturday.
It does surprisingly well with those street tires. So it'll be really cool to see how capable it is with the mud tires on it. We're literally about to go drive about 45 minutes to Burleson, which is south of here, to go pick up some ATV tires. So the guy's asking 200 bucks on them, and we just priced them at a discount, and they're about $88 a piece. So we'll be saving well over $100 by buying these, and they look brand new. Yeah, we'll see you guys in a second. Let's go ahead and drive over there. Gotta grab some cash. I don't know how much I have, so again, banks hate me. I don't know why.
$200.
Alright, so we're pulling up right now. We're like 2 miles out, so hopefully the guy's there and we don't spend a bunch of time waiting. So we got a lot of stuff to do, always, right, Zach?
Yep.
So we're here. I just texted the seller. I don't know what it is, but everyone we're meeting off Craigslist or Facebook drives an F350 too. I don't know. It's like we sold something this morning and white F350, same color. Not a lot nicer than this one, but this guy's in a gold F350, so I guess they're good trucks, man. I don't know. Gold F350. F350s everywhere.
I know, right?
All right, guys, we got the tires. We'll show y'all in a second. So while we're pumping diesel, Zach had to go jump someone.
This thing comes in handy.
All fixed?
Yeah.
Sweet.
All right, so we just got back home. Gabe's gonna back the truck in, and then we'll hook up to the trailer.
All right, so we're back at the house. These are the tires we got. So they are a couple inches shorter than what we have on the Dune Buggy right now, but they have a lot more tread that we can use when we're off-roading. So it's really funny because just like the buggy's currently set up, we have smaller tires in the front and bigger tires in the back. And these ATV tires, we got 2 big ones and 2 slightly smaller ones. So it'll be almost exactly the same, minus a couple inches in height. So right now, we're gonna put our trailer to use. We're gonna go ahead and Zach's hitching that up right now. We're gonna pull it forward and we're gonna go ahead and load the Dune Buggy up and take it to Discount Tire so they can mount it. Got power, that's good. Barely. Woo.
Cool.
Start at it. Alright guys, Dune Buggy is all loaded up. Time to get the tires mounted. So we just got to Discount Tire to mount these tires on that, and Zach just found out, he just looked at the trailer and saw that this tire between the house and here went flat. Luckily this is a hell of a place to get a flat tire because we're literally at Discount Tire right now. Looks like maybe the previous owner tried to patch it, and yeah, we definitely need to get new tires, so pretty ironic that we get a flat tire at Discount Tire. Okay, so here's the deal. Discount only has 2 out of the 4 tires, so they're gonna have to order them overnight. So right now, Zach's just filling it with air so we can at least get it home. So we're gonna go home, get the buggy off the trailer, because priority now is getting new tires on this thing. So I knew when we bought the trailer it was gonna need tires, and well, this is what happens when you don't do preventative maintenance. Pro tip, guys. Air it up, get it back to the house, which is only like 10 minutes away, and yeah.
Come straight back. We're gonna get the new tires mounted and balance on the Dune Buggy, and then go take it for a rip and see how the new tires do off-road.
All right, boys, the tires are installed. The buggy's on the trailer. Let's go ahead and test them out real quick. So here's the deal. We just got new tires on the trailer. The ATV tires are mounted on the Dune Buggy, and we're literally about to go test the Dune Buggy off-road right now. But there's some weather coming in, and it's starting to rain, and it's just gonna get worse and worse.
Yep.
We have 2 options. Option number 1, come back later or tomorrow when this vlog has to go up. Or option number 2, just use the GoPros and try and get some good footage of us being miserable and cold and wet. So
off-roading in a thunderstorm.
I really don't want to do this right now, and Zach does, so we're gonna sell this the fair way. We're gonna do it with a quarter toss.
Got a quarter?
Yeah, I got a quarter right here. So we're gonna use one of these quarters right here. Okay, so heads, if it lands on heads, then we don't go.
Okay.
If it lands on tails, then we're gonna get wet and soaked, and we're gonna go off-roading. All right?
All right.
All right, you hold the camera. Okay, so heads we don't go, tails we go.
All right.
Okay. Try it again. It's gotta be a good toss. It's gotta be fair.
If you can catch
I gotta
it.
catch it. Hold on. Ready?
Yes, tails. Yes.
Let me get my jacket.
We're doing it.
We're doing it for you guys.
Oh, this is gonna suck, but it's gonna be much fun. Well, let's get this thing unloaded and go tear it up.
Yeah, so transitioning to GoPro footage in 3, 2, 1. Okay, boys, we got the GoPro set up. There we go. Oh yeah, quick note. So we actually broke 2 out of 3 of the mounting tabs on the radiator, and we hadn't gone around to fixing it yet. So, safety first, always belt up, boys. Zach's got all this mud in the driver's seat. I'm already moving. It is cold, dude. Are you starting to regret that coin flip at all?
As soon as we're unloading the buggy, I was.
Yeah. We don't really know how bad these trails are. Looks like someone dumped some trash here. I hate people that do that. Mess the trails up for everybody. is that? It's like a fridge or something.
Oh no. Alright, let's go.
It's not too muddy actually, dude. It's really not that bad right now. So our winch isn't working right now either, so if we get stuck,
We're gonna manually push it out.
hold on. Hold on, hold on. I can definitely tell the difference with these tires on, man.
Yeah, definitely. We're not spinning. We're actually gripping right now. Oh god. Those tires are gripping.
All right.
Hug the right.
Hug the right?
Yeah.
Okay, I got this.
Oh god. Oh god.
It's ripping, dude.
Yeah.
It's ripping, man. Gotta dip the toes in real quick. Woo! It didn't come in the floorboards though.
That's good.
I'm honestly surprised we didn't get stuck.
Yeah.
Honestly.
If we were on the other tires, we would have already got stuck.
Yeah, I know.
Oh god.
I think we should go in there.
Ah! Why not? You're good. Oh, we're high
We may
centered.
have high centered.
We're high centered.
Give it a little push.
Okay. This thing get heavier or something?
Well, we got stuck.
Already.
It's not that bad though. It's literally just high centered. Yeah, this is where the lift would come in handy. Well guys, the winch seems to be working a little bit. We can't have it extend anymore. So we're actually, Zach's gonna take that ratchet strap off that's holding the radiator on, and then we're gonna use that ratchet strap to connect to this, to connect to that. That's the plan right now. I guess Zach's the knot MacGyver. Strap MacGyver. Toe strap MacGyver, that's what I should call you. What's the plan here?
Hopefully this doesn't break. And
All right, so hopefully this will get us out of this little, we're not even stuck that bad. It's just like slightly stuck.
this high center.
Yeah. Let's try and winch ourselves out.
I say we keep the speed up.
Ready? I'm trying to get out of this rut. It wasn't really stuck that bad, but
It was just high center.
yeah, we really needed to put a lift kit on it. Coming soon. Yeah, so we got high centered right there, as you can see, and then I was a little bit worried about these ruts, but once we got in the ruts, I just had to rock it back, put in reverse, slam it into first, and just had just enough traction for us to get through. He's tying the radiator back up so we can get out of here. Well, the winch had just enough oomph to get us out, honestly.
Thankfully.
Yeah, just enough, so we gotta replace that soon.
So we are going ahead and get off the trails. So we just gotta get out of here, guys. All we really want to do is test the tires.
Yep.
And the tires did pretty good, a lot better than those street tires we had on here. So. This way.
We made it. This is the best way.
So we're going to head and get on out of the trails. So we're going to head and we are going to get